The millennial generation has had more knockdowns than any other generation can remember. A jab in the face from the financial crash that we didn't cause, a right hook from an unfair political system, a punch in the gut from a housing market that has locked many out of owning our own homes, and in 2020 a global pandemic that's created uncertainty and instability for millions of people around the world. But
Money Mindset.
I think that sounds alright. But when we are close to defeat, we rise to our feet. As we look up from scrolling on our phones and we look out into the cosmos to imagine a better future. We wake up and feel the earth beneath our feet on a planet travelling 67,000 miles an hour. We realise that human nature is not static, nor is it finite. It is abundant, forever growing and forever providing. We can create new systems when we change our mindset and rules for living. To be conscious of ourselves, we can wake from our financial slumber to create money enlightenment. In this financial awakening, we can have the courage to use our own understanding to make decisions for ourselves, the courage to use our own mind without needing to pay for financial advice. We must dare to know. The rules have changed. The misery that is upon us is just a passing of time, the bitterness of men who are scared of human progress. Today, it is the individual who has the power. You, the individual, has the tools in your hand to change how the world is run. You, the individual, has a pound coin from your back pocket to change how companies are managed. The rules have changed. Today, it is the individual who can control and own these companies. We should live by each other's happiness, not their suffering. This life can be free and beautiful, a wonderful adventure. You can start the hero's quest of investing today. A hero is someone who gives their life to something bigger than themselves. You can be the hero of your own quest, the lead character in your own film. Reach inside your pocket and feel the pound coin between your fingers. This pound coin is a tiny part of a huge system. You are a small part of the universe. Each individual decision you make has an impact on the larger world of the larger whole. You have the power to impact the world. Each pound coin you hold in your hand, and every time you spend, save or invest. Humans have lost our connection with nature. Nature is the principle that unites us all to all things. Nature out there is the same as nature within. Everything in nature is reflected in ourselves. It is something to be worked on and improved. We have constructed the world and therefore we can change it. We must create wisely. We should not want to be exactly like nature, spontaneously and continuously struggling. We must build on what nature is to make it better, to evolve and be the best human beings we can be. To harness the mind to improve ourselves. The mind is an asset, able to create human morality, imagination and innovation. We are the cause and the creator of our external world. The world outside reflects the world within. We become what we think about. To each of us comes a moment in our lives where we are figuratively tapped on the shoulder and asked to do something special, something unique to us and something fitting to our talents. What a tragedy if in that moment, which could have been our finest hour, we find ourselves without the courage or belief that great things can happen to us too. You must make this decision. You must use the pound coin from your pocket. You must invest. Life is not a rehearsal. Miss enough precious moments and you'll miss a lifetime. We need to change our mindset. We need to own ourselves first. We need Millennial Money Mindset. If you want the fruits, you need the roots. Buy the book Millennial Money Mindset. If you want the fruits, you need the roots. It's the 5-step method to getting money mindset, getting more money into your pocket, more time in your day and less stress in your life. Get your copy today. You can pick it up on Amazon in print, Kindle or Audible version. We also give away some free training with every book bought, which is automating your finances to get more me time, so you have more time to do the things that you love with your day. Get your copy today.
Money Mindset.
I think that sounds alright.